Hey guys, so I was at Trader Joe's today and I thought I hadn't done a Trader Joe's flower arranging video in a while, so I thought today would be the perfect day to do that. I am hosting a little cookie decorating party for Valentine's Day this coming week, and so I wanted to have kind of a festive Valentine's Eve girly arrangement. So I spent about $21 today. So I bought 2 bunches of this eucalyptus. It was $2.99 a bunch. And then I purchased 3 bunches of flowers. I have these lavender with a little bit of the hot pink spray roses here. I have these beautiful tulips that are just a multicolor. We've got pink and green and yellow. I thought they kind of complemented the roses, which is why I chose these. And then just for fun, kind of like a subtle filler flower, I picked up these white mums, mini mums. So that's what we're working with. And then because I wanted to keep the cost low, I thought I'd go out into my yard and clip some greenery. So I have some greenery from a little bush here, and then I also snipped off a few of these orange branches off of a tree here because I loved the green color, and these cute little blossoms are darling and they smell amazing. So that's what we're working with here today. I highly encourage you, if you really want to make a beautiful full centerpiece, to go out to your garden or yard and pick some more variety of greenery that you can add to the things that you purchase from Trader Joe's. And so I have got my scissors here today. These are my absolute favorite tried and true flower arranging clippers that I will link to below. You can find them on Amazon. And then for the vessel, I just wanted to use something very simple. So I'm using this clear cylinder vase. I actually bought it at IKEA for really inexpensive. And I love it because it's just basic and simple. It's perfect for just doing all kinds of flowers. So that's what we're working with today. And let's get started in building our arrangement. And I just want you guys to be able to see that when you go pick up flowers from the grocery store, you can do so much more than just coming home and sticking them in a vase. Like, you can really wow yourself, people that come into your home, with just a few little subtle tricks. So we always start with our greenery. We're gonna do that first, and then we build our flowers into that, kind of from our seedless flowers and up. So let's do that first and let's get going. You're always, a little tip too, is you always want to strip any leaves that might be in the water to keep your water as clean as possible. So now onto our mums. A fun fact about tulips is that they actually continue to grow after you put them in water. They'll continue to grow and get longer. So this is just for fun. It's not really necessary to keep this little tip in mind when you're just doing arranging for fun. But if you're doing an arrangement for like a wedding and you really want your tulip in a certain place, then just keep that in mind, that it'll start to grow out and continue to get longer. Lastly, let's do our roses. Okay, so I am really happy happy with how this turned out. I think it is beautiful. I think it's whimsical and fun, and it definitely reminds me of Valentine's Day. When you're done, just kind of give it a good spin, look at it from all directions. This is gonna go on my kitchen island, so I am keeping that in mind because I want it to look good from all directions, right? And sometimes with things that are just in loose water, you can kind of pick it up, move it around, push things down, pull things out really easily, just kind of depending on kind of what's working and what's not. I hope that this inspires you to head down to Trader Joe's where the flowers are beautiful and inexpensive. And an arrangement like this will probably last a good 4 to 5 days, probably not too much longer, because the flowers from Trader Joe's, because they're not kept in a cooler, aren't as fresh as some place that you get at a wholesale mart, but works, it's good enough. This will get me through my event in a couple days, and it's beautiful and affordable. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you try this, let me know. I love hearing from you, and I love seeing and you guys sharing with me the things that you try on Instagram and tagging me in your stories. Like, it just makes me so happy. Have a really great day. Happy flower designing. We'll see you next time. Bye.